You won't get this Figma tutorial anywhere in YouTube. I created this with my own method. It's a scratch card animation, pretty useful gratification effect of our gift cards. So I will tell you how to make this thing. Let's get started. Alright, so before we start, I have created one frame here and already put one image, that is my caricature. Alright, so I will create one frame here. This use the constraint here, change the maybe 30 by 30 is better. Now I will create one circle here on this frame. So press O and then keep pressing shift from the corner, scale it like this, so you will get a perfect circle. Make sure the corners are matched. All right, now use this, select this frame, choose the create component, make one variant. Got it, here's a variant. Now just go here, the default one, unhide this, and the default one is fine for now. Let's see how it will work. I will create a frame here on the side. I will give the size like probably 200. Oh damn, yeah, 200. Damn, 200. Yeah, just 200. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is 200. I will just give a shape like this probably to know where it is. So I will copy this default variant from this frame and then paste it. For just a simplicity's sake, I will name this frame as scratch card. Yes, this will be our scratch card, guys. Okay, so this frame, I will duplicate one more. Now before duplicating, I will just select this both of them and do this auto layout, add auto layout. Got it. Now in auto layout, this frame 1, frame 2. Okay, so frame 2, press command D, keep doing this, so we will have a proper set of this together. Now before doing anything, I will just show how things will work. Select this thing, not forget about that. Come here, press rectangle R, and now create one rectangle here. Okay, here's a rectangle, it is the frame. Move this to the below the lowest one, this frame, and be sure that it's not a part of that frame, otherwise things will not come as you want. So make this rectangle on top, like above this frame, so it's out of that auto layout, and then press this button, this particular button, you will get this shape. So here, and this is here, which is there. Oh damn, I will make it to this center. Okay, now press this and go to this meatball settings, subtract. Got it. So right now it's not visible, but if you go here and press this thing, you can see that the holes are started to be visible. This be go through this process so that you don't get a problem afterwards, because this is a little tricky method, and a single mistake can not basically a single mistake will ruin your process to get this effect. All right, so subtract, I will just come here and unhide this for a while. This thing is here, make sure it's visible for now. Default variant, oh sorry, no, in this one, make sure it's okay, it's visible. So I will duplicate it now. I will duplicate it like this, 1 2, or maybe this is kind of fine. Now command D again, keep doing this until you get something like this. Okay, now in each frame you can see there's a gap here. Select all the frames here, go to this gap setting, like you can see there's a gaps, change it the gap like something like this, so that you barely have some space here. All right, it looks fine to me. Now you can add one more of basically rectangle to, like, not rectangle, basically the circles to each frame, or you can just delete all of them again. Okay, I will just make it to the center like this. Okay, now duplicate it. Right, this is done. Now now there's a cool trick. You will come here, make this ellipse in this frame basically like this, so it's not visible. Now click this thing, go to the prototype settings, make a link from here. Remember, you don't have to press this, you have to press this one. Press this and then go here. On click, change this thing trigger to our mouse enter. Right. Let's see how this thing will look like. See, this is how this will look like. So, okay, but we want a proper scratch animation for this thing. So what we will do is we will bring this thing here on top of the image. This is our scratch card. Just for some simplicity, basically to make it look better, I will give a corner radius of 20. Okay, you can see that card is basically smaller. I can just scale this thing up by pressing K and scaling it up proportionally while locking the aspect ratio so it fits well. Okay, let's draw this. See, you can see that there is a this particular effect. However, there is a problem that you can't see below what is happening below this thing. So for that thing, I will go here in the scratch card, make this opacity to 0 for the fill, and when now if I do this thing, yo, you got this effect, guys. You got the scratch card animation. See, this is how this will be, and no matter how many times you do it, you can basically control the how you want this thing. It looks cool. It is one of the prettiest effect you can see. You can change the subtract to basically any other color so that you have some effect. I will change it to blue, like let's blue. From here, go to scratch card. Now add those effects so that it looks fine. You can see there's a problem here. I will just make this thing a little bigger so it's barely visible, but the problem is still there, but fine for now. The drop thing I will bring here and made one inner shadow. Make this inner shadow to white in color because I want that torn effect, like it's kind of a page that is getting destroyed basically. So one. Now if I do this thing, let's see. See, you can see that it looks like you are actually scratching a card here, and then revealed. Now in original animation, like what I have created, I have added these things. So in the original animation, I basically made it like this, that it's happen and then rotate like this. If you guys want tutorial for how I made the background is like this, please write down in the comment section, because this prototype tutorial is for only for scratch card. I can make a tutorial for how this effect will happen, but for now, this is the way to make this thing. It's quick, simple, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Now in the YouTube description, please go here and press subscribe button and try to give the all thing here. Thank you very much.